Today I'm gonna make Dalgona, sponge candy. Apparently it's similar to honeycomb candy, which I've always wanted to make, so I'm kind of excited. It's made in kind of individual little portions, so I had to make a trip and get a stainless steel ladle because I thought we had one, but apparently it was plastic, so wasn't really gonna work. The reason I'm outside is because we unfortunately have an electric stove, and everything I've seen on how to do this was done over open fire or a gas stove, and so I'm using the grill. Yeah, so we'll see how this goes. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. Apparently it's a rapid, like, quick process, and pretty sure I'm gonna screw up a couple of times. I also had to do a little bit of improvisation because I didn't want to go and buy a specific press for this because I don't like unitaskers. So I'm going to use this bad boy as my press to flatten out the Dalgona. Yeah, I love this thing. My brother actually got me this. He found it on a job site. It's one of those choppy you know what I'm saying, choppy spatulas. Look at them chickens. Okay. Yeah, so fingers crossed. Oh, also, hey, welcome to week 11. This is Anxiety Kitchen. I'm gonna see if I can get this burner turned on and then flip the camera so that, you know, I can see what I'm doing. Also, fun fact, I'm mildly terrified of gas grills. When I was a kid, we had a neighbor that lived up the road. She was like 21. Yeah, she blew up her gas grill. She burned like all of her shit off. So, a little nervous about the gas grill. Also, this is my wife's territory, so I don't mess with the grill. She gets it. Excuse you. She gets a little upset if I do. Not like that's my grill, but like, but that's my grill. And I'm like, it's your grill. I will let you grill forever. I will bake and cook inside, and you can grill forever. Mainly because I'm afraid of it. So, and I got it. Yay. Nothing blew up. So it needs to be on medium. No. Oh, I turned it off. I don't want you blowing up. Please. Please, Kay, thanks. Okay. Turn in. Oh, it's not gonna light now. Oh, I've killed it. Oh, it smells like gas. Look, I got cocky. All right? Wait 5 minutes. Take 2. Okay, so far not doing super great. Wind blew and the fire went out. I freaked out, turned it off. So now, hopefully I've set up an adequate windbreak. I hope. God damn it, I'm gonna shit myself. Okay. There we go. First things first, have everything ready. Got it. Add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. to the ladle. Hold ladle, overheat. When sugar starts to melt around the edges, stir with a chopstick. Hold the ladle away from the heat. Stir in baking soda. I have dumped it. I've waited a little bit. I'm just going to squash it. Hopefully it doesn't stick horribly. Okay, all right, yeah. Traditionally they have little they have little designs cut into them, so I'm just gonna squish that in there. Dude, do you guys see that? How cute is that? That is super cute. First one, best one. That's where we're going with that. I think I needed to clean the ladle in between ones. So, oh, it's so crumbly. I'll get it. Oh, it's in my sleeve. If you have messed up teeth though, I probably wouldn't recommend this for you. Obviously, if you have a gas stove, this would be a lot easier, a lot less to worry about. You know, you don't have to stand outside when it's a little chilly right now. This is super cool. I'm glad I got to do this one. I mean, I was gonna have to do it anyways, but I'm glad I got to do this one today. This was thankfully, at least the first one came out great. You know, a fairly simple one. You know, I wouldn't say do this with the kids because boiling sugar. But for the kids, sure, as long as they got their teeth and their teeth are okay. Because that could yank a filling out for sure. And Lord help you if you got braces. It's not gonna go well at all. Good boy. Let's see what we're gonna do next week. Starting to rain. Look, I'm glad that I did this so short because I'm feeling sprinkles. All right, this one right here, we're gonna do this one. Feeling good about it? I think I'm feeling okay about it. Oh shit. Finland. Monkey? I don't think it's monkey. It's Munkki. I have no idea. So yeah, next week we'll be going to Finland. And hopefully that goes well. This week I think went pretty good. Pretty well, not pretty good. Batman does good. You do well. While this dress, super adorable. Love it. Thanks, Jillian. It's also short. Aw, Sean Connery. It's also so short that if I curtsied in public, I would show everyone my assets. So, yeah. I'm cold. Hope you guys are doing all right. Like and subscribe, etc., etc. I'm cold. I'm gonna go inside and warm up. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you're all staying safe and warm if where you are is actually being winter. I'll see you next Tuesday. Girl. Oh, Jesus Christ. I think it gets harder. Hufflepuff, bitch.